Ms. Shimoyama, the floor is yours. ではお願いいたします。
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mie Shimoyama from Shibuya Startups. And it's very honor for me to be here at this global conference today. And yeah, I'm very happy to share some of the thoughts with all of you today. So it's actually the third day of EDCON today, and I hope you guys are enjoying the event so far. But also at the same time, because we are in Osaka, I hope all of you are enjoying the experience in Osaka as well. Well, actually, personally, I have a strong connection to the city, Osaka. Well, I was born in Osaka, so I love the food and people here. And so I hope, like all of you, maybe it's your first time here, so maybe I hope all of you are also enjoying the experience in Osaka. So now we all can agree that Osaka is such a great city. And in my lightning talk today, I want you to remember one more great city in Japan, which is Shibuya. So if you hear the word Shibuya, what kind of images do you have? Maybe like art culture or street fashion or nightlife or like famous big scramble crossing. But actually, Shibuya is not only famous for the street culture or fashion. It's actually one of the leading cities for the innovation. So let me share a brief explanation about the Shibuya, how Shibuya is serious for the open innovation. So in Shibuya, there are more than 2,000 startups are based in Shibuya, and more than 60 venture capitals are located in Shibuya. And also, more than 200 IPO companies are coming from the Shibuya-based company. And also in Shibuya, we have more than 100 co-working spaces. So by looking at these figures, you know how Shibuya is friendly to all the innovators and startup founders. So why am I so passionate about Shibuya? It's because of my company. So I'm working for the company called Shibuya Startups. The company was actually established by the Shibuya city with other three major companies based in Shibuya, which is Tokyo Land Corporation and Tokyo and also GMO Internet Group. So our mission of the company is to build a global ecosystem in Shibuya. And let me also share Shibuya Awards initiatives as an open innovation hub. So as a city, Shibuya is driving open innovation by three main pillars. One is the internationalization. So Shibuya is issuing the startup visas and also supporting all the foreign startups in Shibuya. And also the second pillar is the building ecosystem. So Shibuya City is partnering with other global cities and also partnering with other universities. And then the third pillar is the pilot testing. So if you want to test anything in Shibuya, there's a website. So you can search Shibuya and also testbed, and you will find the Shibuya's testbed website and then find out more information. So that was a brief introduction about the Shibuya's initiatives as an open innovation hub. And in addition, Shibuya is hosting a lot of like Web3 or blockchain-related global events. So these are a few examples, but the top left is the Bright Moments Tokyo, which was held in 2023. And it was an NFT art gallery event. And last year, EDCON, actually the first EDCON in Japan was held in Shibuya. And also Solana Super Tokyo was also held in Shibuya. And recently, last week, actually, ESA Tokyo was also held in Shibuya. So we are hosting a lot of global conference and events in Shibuya. And also, let me share one of the POC's example, which we supported this year. So since last year, Shibuya is organizing the event called Dig Shibuya, which is the citywide festival where visitors can experience art and technology in the city. So this event transforms the entire city into the playground where visitors can experience an art and technologies. So it's actually a 4 days event. And in this event, we invited one Web3 startup from Los Angeles. The company's name is FlickPlay. So yeah, Play is a Web3 company from Los Angeles. So Play offers the Web3 digital scavenger hunt game in this event. So all the participants in this scavenger hunt can explore the city, and so all the participants can explore the city, and then at the same time, they can collect the digital collectibles. So yeah, this was one of the POC's example we supported this year. So let me check. So yeah, the event went very well, and I believe it was more than the entertainment. It was a proof of concept that showing how blockchain or gaming and physical communities can merge in an everyday urban life. So of course, building a blockchain-powered city requires changes to the rules and systems. But just as it's also important to give people in the city a chance to see and feel and then also experience the technology in their daily lives. So going back to my company's introduction, but we have about 50 startups in our community right now, and we are supporting all the startups coming into Japanese market. And our support is, we are offering the support in 3 different stages, entry level and also the growth and also the expansion with the regulation changes. And because Shibuya Startups has a very strong connection with the city, one of our strengths is we can also work on the deregulation part. So as my last comment, we are supporting the global startups, and if you want to test anything in Shibuya or if you have great technologies, please come and talk to me afterwards, and maybe we can find a way to collaborate together. Well, thank you very much for listening.
ありがとうございました。Thank you very much.